Hi guys, in this video I want to talk with us something that are very simple but generates a lot of doubts regarding to the physical reality. So everyone already listened to someone saying that in a three-phase system, all three phases when we sum them together is zero. So why something that is sum three three elements summed is zero. So the idea here, to answer that, we're gonna use complex numbers and special Euler's formula to understand this better. So this is the Euler formula. It's interesting because sometimes they are like placed like that. They are generally written like so. It's something generally show like that. So why is something elevated to a number exponential is minus one. It's not possible. And the idea is possible because of the Euler's formula. So this here could be used like that. Cosine of like p is minus one and cosine of pi and sin of pi is zero. So minus one plus one is zero. So here for we electrical engineers, it's simple to understand because it's a model with a phase, and this is the polar form or phasal form. So here we have the phase, and here we have the absolute value. But like that, we can like expand using the Euler's formula to something like that. We use like separated module, the absolute value I, to Euler elevate to I omega t times e elevated to zero, and like that we have this formulation. And here is zero and here is one, so we can like make uh, this current just like that, but it's different for the other parts. So this result into this, so we have a complex number here. And even in this way, with us like put a formulation like that, we use the omega, so it's 2 pi the frequency. We are using like 3 cycles, a period of like one. A period is the inverse of the frequency, and we have like this formulation. This is the same as this. So we have like actually we have I put this wrong. This is cosine, cosine, and this is sine. Is the negative, is the imaginary. So using the shortcut that we explained in other videos, we use Ctrl D, and we use like, oh, this is trouble. Let's make like that. No, we like Ctrl D, and we put like Sam. So this is the correct way, but it's gonna make the same way. So here I plot this current the A, B, C, and here we have all the, and this black signal here is the sum of them. So the idea is when we have like complex numbers, we can get like a negative values because of the signal. And with that, when we sum together, then they are zero. So I can run this like right now, and we can see that the total current uh, actually is something is have some trouble. Cosine omega t minus, yeah, I think I didn't have to put this way because I separated them, so I make them wrong. Like me, you are seeing live action, so don't judge me. Like, so this here we not need to put this one. We can put like in one single formulation, but I divide here, so we're gonna remove the phase here to be like the latex that I put. So Like that, we can see that is like a number elevated to exponential of like minus 15. So this is zero. This is totally zero. But the idea here is that we have like a sum of zero. And but what is the idea of a phasor? Because this way, when we use this formulation, we can see that it is a time variable. So I understand that it's something that is changing through the time. It's periodic, but it is changing with the time. And this way, we don't see actually, because this is a engineer way to use this one. And this one here is more simple because we can like multiply. When we multiply, we just like add the phases and multiply the absolute value. So it's more simple. We can make like operations with phasors more quickly than with the exponential or like in cosine and sine pair. But I have made a code here that shows the how we can oh something that is not. So the idea, I don't know why I have changed this one. Let me see. Let me run everything again. So this is the idea of the phasor. The phasor is this one where we have this cosine and sine, and we have here the the, the signal. So it's the same thing, but this way we have a representation of the phasor. So for any questions, please just comment and subscribe in the channel. And I'm happy to show you guys answer some questions of you guys. And it's this. Thank you. Bye bye.